Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making a pink panty. So I asked the person at the liquor store to give me some whiskey. This is what he gave me. I don't really drink it, so if you drink whiskey and you have the kind that you like, that's fine. Use it. I've been having everything in the freezer chilling, and I'm also going to be using some strawberry lemonade because I couldn't find the pink lemonade frozen concentrate. First things first, I'm going to be pouring in 1 cup of whiskey. Put your concentrate in there also. After that, I'm not going to add in too much of the strawberry lemonade. Let's do 6 tablespoons altogether. Top. Okay, so I'm going to add in just a tad bit of food coloring. Like I said, I couldn't find the pink lemonade frozen concentrate, and I don't want to add too much juice to where it's overpowering the whiskey.
Okay.
All right, so I got a wine glass. Some people use those tall, skinny glasses, but honestly, I don't discriminate at all on what type of drink. I mean, what type of glass that I use. I feel like it's too hot in my house. Nope, it's just perfect. Okay. Boom, and there you go. You got your pink panty. This is what happens when you done took like 4 shots already. Oh, there you go. Got your pink panty. You like a lot of whipped cream?
That's fine.
Okay. I don't like whipped cream, y'all, but I made some homemade just for her. You see that fluffiness? Ooh. All right. How it taste?
It tastes good.
Uh-oh. You already feeling it? You don't need no water, no juice, no nothing?
If you want some water, like you don't want too much sweetness, then you could put some water in here to dilute it. But when you're a person that's used to sugar, it's easy.
Yummy.
This whipped cream good too.
Oh, not the homemade whipped cream.